Join me today as I make these delicious, smoky, juicy peanut butter and jelly burgers with no jelly. You'll love these. First thing we need to do is prep our jalapenos. We're going to just cut these into rings. And another jalapeno, we're going to julienne and then small dice. Remove the centers, cut them into julienne, small dice that. Throw it in a bowl. Take 1 pound of tube meat. Give that a quick mix. Once it comes together, stop mixing immediately. You don't want to overwork your meat. And array this into 5-ounce balls. This one here, I got perfect 5 ounce on it. Just a quick replay to prove without cuts that this was just a 5-pound random ball. I was proud of it, so I'm making you guys watch it. Perfection. And then the third ball is also 5 ounces. Go ahead and use our Cuisinart burger press. I would put a link to this, but the Smithsonian doesn't sell things this old, so any burger press will work, or don't use one at all, just hand form them. Just pop that out of the ring, take the base off, and we'll get the other two going. Okay, now that those are done, we're going to use this Hollywood rub from Bearded Butcher. I put that on pretty heavy here. It's very good flavor, going to be great on these burgers, so let's do a lot of it. Make sure we get both sides. Let's go ahead and get these other two. Pat that in so it doesn't fall off. Get another parchment square. Flip the patties over and get the other side of these other two patties. Once these are done, we'll go outside, get them on the grill. Bring you outside in just a second. Just a quick shot of my dog sunbathing by the grill. Gonna use the Workhorse Cowboy box for this today. Just gonna uncover it. Don't need to do the entire grill because we're just gonna use this one section. And here's what I was gonna cut out but decided not to. I use my firebox as a storage unit. So just gotta empty all this crap out real fast. And then if I was going to be sly, cut this out and act like that stuff wasn't in there, but decided to go ahead and just leave that in there for you. I just thought that was funny because every time I go to clean out the firebox, the wind picks up and blows ash all over the place. Really, you should be cleaning out your firebox after every cook because the ash can absorb moisture and cause excess rust, but I was lazy last cook and didn't clean it out. I'm going to be using this Jealous Devil charcoal. This is their briquettes. See how big these things are? They are really even temperature. Get the fire lit. Clean off the grill grates. Again, because I was lazy last time. And get our cast iron skillet heating up. We got it to about 550. Time to go ahead and get that moved over to the side. And we'll get our burger patties put on the grill above the charcoal. Normally, I would never touch a burger once I put it on, but that was pretty far off from where I wanted it to be. And now we're going to get some smoking wood underneath these. This is just some oak I had laying around, some small chunks that I used in the Kamado Joe. Should add some nice flavor to these burgers. A few minutes later, gonna go ahead and get these flipped over. And again, just flipped him horribly, so I got to rearrange him. Don't like doing that. And get him flipped over one more time. I'm just doing great today. Putting crap where it doesn't go. Alright. Go ahead and get our jalapenos put on. And I think they could use some of this Hollywood Bearded Butcher's rub. And burgers are about ready, so let's go ahead and get our buns put on to get a little toast on them and a little bit of that smoke flavor. Got to keep the jalapenos stirring around before they burn. Let that juice come out and hydrate the Bearded Butcher's rub. Look at those skills. I'm going to be a chef one of these days, I promise. Right, now that the burgers are done, we're going to slap some peanut butter on top of these guys. Let it heat up for just a second. And then we'll pull those off. That was about a minute cut there that peanut butter was heating up. And just set those off to the side so they'll stay warm but not continue to cook while our jalapenos get done. Got to keep an eye on these buns. Make sure they don't get overdone. It's good. That's good. All right, let's get those off. Once the jalapenos are done, we come inside and we build our burgers. Yep, that is an upside down bun. You caught me. Throw some jalapenos on top. Cap it with the other top of the bun. And there you go. That is delicious, guys. That is a great burger. I suggest you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like and subscribe while you're down there. And I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.